We have a report of some unfixed cats outside of an apartment complex in Los Angeles.
We're in LA. The lady who lives here thinks there's like 6 cats, so there's probably more than that, but she's seen 6. So we're gonna put some traps out and see if we can catch them with Luxepaws.
About the newspaper up. They hungry. They hungry.
Hopefully.
TNR is crazy. No, no, TNR is trap, neuter, return. It's the process in which stray and feral cat populations go out. They're caught in a humane trap, then they're taken to be spayed, neutered, or vaccinated, and then returned back to their colony, and that prevents overpopulation and spread disease.
Now, we're setting some traps, putting some food out. You put a little bit at the front, put a little bit in the middle.
We have officers on the scene. Cat traps now.
And then, oh, this is one of those traps. Fuck this trap.
CatMan, yeah, watch your language and just set the trap.
It's one of the ones where you have to like, there's no back entrance. And then on these traps, you have to lay on the ground and stick your arm all the way inside of them. Now, we'll go set this guy. See if we can catch a cat. Sometimes it's trap, neuter, rehome, because you trap a cat that you think is feral that's not really feral, they're just under-socialized. And so when we come across those cats, it's awesome to work with other rescue groups that do adoptions and fostering to get those cats off the street and into homes.
And sometimes it's TN, oh, you too cute, you coming home with me. Like my baby Demita Joe. Now we wait.
Sometimes it's TN, whoops, like you're someone else's cat.
Yeah, you belong to somebody else.
And sometimes the owners are understanding and sometimes the owners are not understanding. No. Oh shit. One down.
I want to make sure this thing works right. Where's my lever? Oh, it works right. They don't need to be too tough, and then they walk in, eat, and come back out. Like, I wanted to do something or create something that could get the black community more engaged and aware of rescue. So as soon as I heard the word trap coming from somewhere where it's trap music, I'm like, oh man, they got trap kings and rap. Well, I could be the trap king in this, king of trap, neuter, return. So, but that's how I came up with Trap King. A lot of people think I'm rapping. Some people even think I'm selling drugs. No, I'm not doing none of that. I'm saving cats. It's a king thing. It's a king thing. I'll go get another trap. No ear tips.
Pretty.
Yeah. Pretty, but a little tough. Oh, don't look at mama. Don't look at mama. She didn't do it. She didn't do it. It's these crazy new guys. She didn't do it. She ain't the one. Okay.
Yeah, no tip.
No tip. Time to dip. Come on, baby. It's okay. I know.
Nice.
I
like this alley.
Yeah, I know, right? This guy. Trapper's alley. Well, not Black Fluffy. Smoke Fluffy.
What are you doing there?
Agent Jackie is deploying the fake Muse sound device. Please be advised.
We trap twice a month, every other Friday. That way trappers have time to talk to their locations, scout the location, scout the cats, get everything set up, feeders, so that hopefully we get kitties into traps when we come out. We're only like about 4 to 5 people, and each trapper on a Friday night will have to go to anywhere from 5 to maybe up to 10 locations. It's hard, because as you can see, the cats and the neighbors don't always work with us. You know what I mean? You can get backed up.
Please proceed with caution.
Nobody gets mad.
I think I met Adam like 5 or 6 years ago at an event for hood cats that we came out to support. And Sterling's just a hero because he's putting such a great light on TNR.
How many's that?
1, 2, 3, 4 of them, babies.
Getting reports of bootleg meat tubes being sold outside of the cat cave. Unit 420, please respond.
4 down. 2 to go?
All All units. We have a turf war between a gang of tabbies and a gang of torties. Claws are out. Proceed with caution.
Are we still at 23, Jackie?
Yes.
Okay.
Was that one hanging out? That's yours. You trap them, you own them. For a short spell. Adam, this guy is so cute. He's a Dodger Stadium boy.
Nice.
Oh, she pulled in the other guy's cover too. He was totally naked. Look at her, she's got her little pillow going. That's one of your, yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's one of the ones you guys got. Fluff?
Yeah.
Oh! How in the hell did she just do that? Oh my god, I didn't zip tie. Where'd she go? Oh, this is so not good, guys. Oh my god, I didn't zip tie.
I mean, she darted through it like she knew it was open.
Yeah, dispatch, send 2 Luxepaws volunteers to try to recover the lost cat. Trap King and CatMan will help load out the remaining cats.
We're gonna get her. Oh, there's your big fluffy.
Slough master.
Hi, buddy.
All I do is slough.
Cats, 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 cats. There, that's your guy. See, if this were me, I'd just be throwing him in.
Nobody's going nowhere.
Unit 9, please respond. 2 stray cats seen fighting over a can of Friskies. 2 stray cats fighting over a can of Friskies. Please respond.
Oh my god, I didn't zip tie.
CatMan and Trap King en route to Big Station. Over.
I'm driving in the old van and I'm looking in the rearview mirror and I see this little, question mark of a tail walking around in the van. And I started to really worry. We could go to the top, or since we only have 22, let's keep it reasonable.
Sure.
Sit her down. I'll go get another wrap.
Well, should we just move this?
So nice to see you.
Okay.
Yeah, I got. Tell him sometimes. I tell him, watch your toes.
Just need. Hey, buddy. Hi, handsome.
We have a standoff between a possum and tabby, orange tabby. Please be advised, a fight has broken out between a raccoon and a tuxedo in a dumpster behind a Chili's.
Hello. Check.
Units, please be advised, Luxepaws has caught the escape cat. Over.
They got her. Can you get her here?
CatMan and Trap King en route.
Okay, quick. Because she poked her head back out, dude. Claudia spotted out here. Jonathan and I jumped the fence over there, went in. He went in with the net. I spotted the freeway. Claudia had to manage this whole and Jonathan netted her just as the guy comes to open his front door.
Dang.
All right, baby.
Alright, this is Joe's trap too.
Okay, sweet.
God, you guys, thank you so much.
Say what?
This kitty's name is Sterling. But me being like this,
You and me, I was standing there like.
No, like I haven't seen it yet, but I'm pretty sure you got the escape. Like,
Oh my God, I didn't zip tie.
holy, please stand up. I want to hug both of you.
no, I did the damn thing because that was.
Yeah, they had the netter.
I'll say the screen.
You don't want to be in here.
Good.
Oh my. Yeah, not this time. That didn't work that time. That didn't work that time.
We'll bring her right on in here and check her in. Here's the last one. Let me get your number. The one that got away.
Oh my God, I didn't zip tie.
Hi. Aren't you beautiful?
You tell them they get their drugs. They get weighed. they get their Penji, which is their antibiotic injection.
Those are balls.
Those are balls.
Are you on snipping duty today?
No, he's on a ear tip and...
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, the snipper's on this side.
Yeah, the doctor's in the
Ear tip is on that side. Oh, okay.
So they snip it and you tip it. The vacuum is so silly. I mean, it makes sense, but it's so silly.
You don't want to hear it.
Yeah, for sure.
Units be advised, have a standoff between Calico and Possum. Calico is extra sassy.
Oh yeah, you got her, man. She was in heat.
Nice.
Your girl, the little.
Oh, that little girl, yeah.
This baby is named Sterling because he got loose during transport and had to be retrapped. And I'm literally
Next to the freeway.
I'm literally
Like-
on film.
Oh my God, I didn't zip tie.
Like, bro was amazed that I was like, how the hell?
All units, please be advised that the cats are being prepped for return.
Shout out to Luxepaws for being out here in the streets of LA doing amazing work.
And Danielle for calling to help trap the cats on her block.
Yeah, get involved. Like, the only way we're gonna fix the problem is if more people get involved, so.
Trap like you know.
All right, so we're gonna do these guys on 3 and see who comes out first. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Yes. You know, you can, if you're gonna volunteer 10 hours a month, go out and help thousands of animals by fixing a few cats.
What are you doing?
My guy's still here.
This is the last step in trap, neuter, return.
First trap. Congratulations.
This just in. Sterling has ordered Chinese food. Chinese food has been ordered. It's time to go smoke a blunt.
CatMan.
I'm pulling up with that macro.
You know I got that trap,
I'ma get that kitty.
and I'ma bring him right back.
I got cat food in every room.
My ride smells like fish,
On probation at my job,
and my date life ain't shit.
but I still got them traps though.
Yeah, I still got them traps,
All my colonies be lit.
and all their bellies be real fat.
If you see him with no tip,
Then you'll see him in my trap.
when you see us in your hood, better know where your cat at. Snip it and tip it, 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 snip.
Oh my God, I didn't zip tie. Zip tie.
All day I dream about Spain, Spain. All day I dream about Spain, Spain.
Zip tie.
All day I dream about Spain. All day I dream about Spain, Spain.
Meow, 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 meow.
Unit 420, please respond.
Oh my God, I didn't zip tie. Zip tie.
Cat has escaped a trap. Repeat, Cat has escaped a trap. Cat is hostile.
Claws are out. We repeat, claws are out. Proceed with caution.
Meow 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 meow. CatMan.